What do you think of your dinner, Max? What do you think of that supper?
Supper is what?
Do you like meatballs? To chew your food. Chew it up. Hi, Boots. Max, where's Boots? Max, where's Boots? Where's Boots? No, he doesn't need your food. Where's Dada?
Hi, Max.
Where's Dada? Can you show me where Dada is? Yeah, where's Dada? Where's Dada?
Hi.
Show Mama where Dada is. Where is he? Where's the light? That's right. Show me the light. Can you show Mommy the light? No, we're just going to chew on our finger. Yeah, lights are up. Where's Boots? Where's Boots? That's right. There's Boots. Where's Dada? Where's Dada? You see Dada. Yes. Here's some more meatball.
Really? What else?
Yeah. Meatballs are yummy.